Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Tensita Johnson, and today I'm back with another up-to on myself. Super easy and quick. I saw this on Instagram and I love it because it looks different and is so easy and quick to do. You just need some tiny hair ties. And then I took some of my crown hair, so go through with your index fingers from the side and make a little ponytail. And now when you use those little hair ties, I can just give you the advice to not wrap them around too many times. It's more than enough to do it twice. Then go about 2 inches deeper, 1.5. Make another ponytail and incorporate the first one. Again, just going around twice. And then make a little bubble with the ponytail that is in between of those 2 hair ties. Then I insert the 3rd little elastic. Again, only twice, wrapping it around. And like this we create the 2nd bubble. Make it a bit wider by gently pulling at the edges. So just I start left and right and then around. And now I take all my hair into a low ponytail. Again, only twice. And I create the 3rd bubble. Same, you see, left, right, and then around the bubble, just pulling a bit to make it wider. Now I'm splitting the ponytail into 2. I fold it inwards. I wrap it around the last or 3rd bubble. There I insert another hair tie just around the bubble with the 2 strands. Then I cross them over and bring them down. If your hair is longer, it's a bit easier because now we're going to combine these ends. I'm taking again another hair tie. And those ends that are popping out because my hair is quite short, I'm just pinning down with some bobby pins. Otherwise you can just use the bobby pins to fix this little bun by the sides. Hold it tight and then just pull the edge from the bun around the strands that you wrapped. So just pull it over and like this you see them less. And it makes that the bun holds quite tight and it will stay in place the whole day. If you're new on our channel, please subscribe and click on this little bell so that you get notified. This is our final result. Hope you like it and see you back soon. Bye bye, have a good day. Thanks for watching.